Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to put together a quick video. I'll show you guys the new wheels I picked up. So they're Braid Full Race A's. I got them in a 17 by 8 with a 35 offset. The reason I went with these was because they're very strong wheels, being that they're made particularly for rally racing. And they're also not terribly expensive. For color, I went with satin black, which I think looks great with the orange paint. You can see how Braid is reinforcing their wheels here as well, which obviously adds to the strength of them. For tires, I decided to go with a 200 treadwear or semi-slick tire that's a little bit more endurance focused. So I went with the Potenza Race in a 225/45/17. I think this new setup will provide a lot of extra performance on track. Let me know in the comments below how much faster you think the new setup will be. Now enjoy some B-roll, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.